Hi, my name is Inez. I'm this week's vlog's host. The construction department is assembling a robot.
That has to be printed though, I'm sure.
The programming department is testing autocode. And the communication department is finishing touching up the tech talk. Alright, fuck that.
1, 2, 3. It's not about personality matrixels and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
So currently, we're leaving our school. Where are we going, Lucas?
We're going to Zev's house. And what we are doing is we're going to build, because that's what we do in construction. See here, I got my 2 quick lamps. And if you see that, that's the zone, the Bronx Science Zone. Okay?
He also has a saw in his book bag, but we don't want people on the subway freaking out, so... So me and Lucas just got on the train, barely.
Yeah, and I was running with the quick flips. He was running with 2 backpacks, must have been like 100 pounds in total.
Yeah, but we made it.
But no, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm pretty confident about this trip. Like pretty like good EDA, whatever it's called.
Okay,
ETA,
so...
yeah, pretty good ETA.
We'll see you guys at Zev's place. After a long, arduous journey. And here we are, finally.
72. Penthouse.
I'm terrible control.
And the communication department is finishing touching up the tech talk.
Wait.
Renegade.
Go. Hey, Reese, go. Got one. Go. Go. Oh, go. Yeah. Go. Let's go. Go. Go.
About me now. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you, I'm better on the other side.
Hey, back it out west. Slang it out west. Gold metallic knife. I can shake it out west.
Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches got to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so?
Can I help it if I dream of you every